What a perfect afternoon for a bit of cemetery exploration. It's cold, it's wet, it's windy, and this is one of Sydney's most atmospheric cemeteries as well. This is my local, this is the Camperdown Cemetery, not far off the King Street Strip in Newtown. And for a time, this was the most important cemetery in Sydney. Something that's occurred to me is that cemeteries have been a very big feature of my travelling life.
You know you're in for a treat here when you're greeted by this incredible Moreton Bay fig and the caretaker's residence. The fig is said to date back to the founding of the cemetery in 1848.